All right, picture this. You're feeling stressed, your brain is a little foggy, and your skin's looking a bit dull. What if I told you there's a magical, all-natural tea that can help with all of that? Yep, I'm talking about lemon balm tea. Trust me, once you learn about its benefits, you'll be sipping it every day. Stick around, because I'm about to share the top 5 reasons why this tea should be your new go-to. First off, what exactly is lemon balm? Well, lemon balm is a fragrant herb from the mint family, and its leaves have a fresh, citrusy scent, kind of like a lemony mint. It's been used for centuries in teas, oils, and even skincare products for its soothing and healing properties. You can find it in a few different forms: dried leaves for tea, or fresh leaves for a more potent brew. It's super easy to make, and the benefits are totally worth it. Benefit number 1. Stress-busting power. We all know how stressful life can get, and lemon balm tea is like a warm hug for your mind. It has natural calming properties that help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. I drink it when I'm feeling overwhelmed, and it's like hitting reset on my whole day. After just a few sips, I feel more relaxed, centered, and ready to take on whatever comes my way. It's the perfect go-to after a long day. Benefit number 2. Sleep support. Now, who doesn't love a good night's sleep? If you struggle with insomnia or just can't seem to unwind at night, lemon balm tea is a game changer. It's been used for centuries to help with sleep. Its mild sedative effects make it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. I love having a cup before bed. It's like telling my body, "All right, time to relax and drift off into dreamland." Zzz. Benefit number 3. Brain boost. Here's a fun one. Did you know that lemon balm tea can actually help boost your brain power? Yes, you heard that right. Studies show that it can improve memory, focus, and cognitive function. So, if you're studying, working, or just need to clear up that mental fog, lemon balm is your best friend. Personally, when I drink it during the day, I feel more focused and sharp. No more brain fog, just clarity. Benefit number 4. Skin soothing. Lemon balm tea isn't just good for your insides, it's amazing for your outsides too. Its anti-inflammatory properties help calm skin irritations and reduce redness. Whether you've got acne, rashes, or just dry skin, lemon balm can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. I even use it in DIY face masks sometimes. My skin always feels fresh, dewy, and super calm after. It's like a spa day in a cup. Benefit number 5. Digestive relief. Lastly, let's talk about your tummy. Lemon balm tea is a fantastic natural remedy for digestive issues like bloating, indigestion, and even nausea. It helps soothe your stomach and encourages healthy digestion. I love sipping it after meals to keep everything running smoothly. It's like giving your digestive system a little gentle hug. Who doesn't want that? So, there you have it. 5 amazing reasons to make lemon balm tea a part of your daily routine. Whether you need stress relief, a better night's sleep, a brain boost, glowing skin, or digestive support, this tea has got you covered. The best part? It's super easy to make. Just steep a handful of dried lemon balm leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. And voila, you're good to go. If you haven't tried lemon balm tea yet, I highly recommend giving it a shot. Trust me, your body and mind will thank you. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Stay healthy, stay relaxed, and keep sipping your way to a better you.